Welcome back to Yardie Legal Reasonings. I'm Nadine Atkinson Flowers, Jamaican attorney and U.S. immigration attorney. The medical that most immigrants have to do to come to the United States causes a bit of concern. I've been getting a few questions about it, and I'm just going to give you a little bit of information about that today. The medical is done by appointment. So you have to present yourself at whatever medical facility the government says you're to come to in your home country to do that appointment. You're asked a series of questions, not questions that the doctor at the facility has conjured up by themselves, but questions that the US government says you're to be asked. One of those questions surround alcohol and other uses such as marijuana and so on. Regarding marijuana in the United States, lots of persons know that there are several states that say you can use marijuana recreationally. Marijuana, ganja, known by so many other names. In the Caribbean, for example, in Jamaica, marijuana, ganja can be held by persons in very small quantities. And so people might get a little confused when they go to the US appointment for their medical and they're asked about that. It may well be that after you do the test, because there is a test to see if there are any drugs in your system or if you have any other conditions that might be a problem, you are flagged, meaning they say, well, we have found that you may be a chronic user of this particular substance, and so we are going to ask you to do a number of drug tests over the course of a year, 6 months, whatever, and then you come back. So it's very important that people recognize that the medical is an extremely important part of the process of becoming a US immigrant. And you have to be very careful in how you go about it. You have to make sure that you prepare yourself for the medical so that when you go, you can be successful and that part of the application can be over and done with. And they will submit the medical. Usually it's in a sealed envelope. They may well give you a copy, but usually you either get the sealed envelope or they send it directly. If they do, for example, a chest x-ray, you may get a CD of the chest x-ray. But the medical is very, very important. People perhaps don't pay enough attention to it, but it's something very significant. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and if you found this useful, drop a comment below.